Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have Parler TTS. We are going to run Parler TTS on Google Colabs and using the Gradio UI. So head over to this GitHub repository I have just created, and once you're here, just click open in Colab. I'll leave this link in the description, so let's open it up. So it's going to spin a new tab and open Google Colabs. So once you are here in Collabs, just click on, make sure your runtime here is a T4 GPU. So by default it will open in T4 GPU, but by any chance find it's not T4, make sure you change that. Then after doing that, just click on run all and just wait. I'm going to allow that. So it's going to install dependencies in the first cell and then make importation the second one and third one to run the Gradio UI. So let's wait it to spin up the installation. It's not going to take a while. I mean, it's not going to take long. So I'll just wait. If it's too long, I'll just make a cut. So let's see. So it has just finished running. So the final cell, and you can see that we have a nice Gradio UI here. And let's go back to the first cell. I want to address something. So you'll see this error and something, just ignore that. And also the second cell, there is this warning, but ignore that. It's going to work regardless. So let's click on this Gradio link here. I'm not going to use it on the Google, on the Colab preview. So I'm going to click on this, spin up a new tab that will interact with Parler TTS. So describe any voice in plain English and generate speech instantly. So I'm going to input some predefined text here, text to speech. Let's use this. The weather today is sunny with high degree of 25. So let's generate. I understand that for the first time it should take a while because it's downloading and all that. So let's give it a while. So finally the output is ready. So let's check it out. So I'm going to run this by clicking here.
The weather today is sunny with a high of 30 degrees. Perfect for a walk in the park.
So that's the female, warm female. So let's try another voice. Let me say John and hit generate.
Weather today is sunny with a high of 20 degrees. Perfect for a walk in the park.
So that's John's voice. It's not bad.
Weather today is sunny with a high of 20 degrees. Perfect for a walk in the park.
So I don't want to make the video so long. So this is Parler TTS. You can try the notebook is in my GitHub. And as always, stay tuned for more and kindly subscribe. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out.